All right, this is Bubba Shack Food Review. Bubba and me are at Pizza Hut in Fredericksburg, and he's gonna cut down on a nice piece of pizza. Look at that bad boy right there. How you feel today, Bubba?
Yeah, I feel pretty good.
Go on, dive into that pizza right there and tell the world how good Pizza Hut pizza is. You like Pizza Hut pizza?
Yeah, I love Pizza Hut pizza.
What's that glove you got on your hand right there? What's that? What's the deal with that?
Oh, that's my boxing glove.
All you have is one?
Yeah, that's all I had. I couldn't find the other one.
Oh man, what's on that pizza, Bubba? Tell the world what's on that pizza.
Oh, it's got mushroom cheese.
Mushroom cheese. Look at that bad boy. You like it?
Tastes pretty good, yeah.
Yes, sir. Throw it down your neck, Bubba. Go and get you a big old hit off that thing. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You glad I come and got you and want to go to Pizza Hut?
Yeah.
They got a buffet here. You can get more than one slice. You can get as many as you want.
Yeah, it won't be good for me for right now.
Oh, man, I'm telling you. We just laid up in Pizza Hut, ain't it?
Yeah.
It don't give you no heartburn, does it?
No, not this one.
What are you washing it down with? Ooh.
I got me a good cold Budweiser.
Oh, Budweiser. Pizza Hut pizza and a Budweiser. And got you a boxing glove on. Only one of them, too, ain't it?
That's all I need. That's my best on.
And you just walk around the day with one boxing glove on.
Yeah, but this one will get you, but this one will get you good.
You're right. Get into that pizza right there. You got to tell the world it's a food review. Tell them how good it is. Now, would you recommend people come to Pizza Hut?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
It's good, too, and you love that buffet, don't you?
Yeah, I've been coming to this one since I was a kid.
Yes, Lord. So you love Pizza Hut pizza.
Mm-hmm.
And a cold Budweiser. Woo! And a boxing glove.
Gotta have Budweiser with the pizza.
Oh, yes, you do, boy. Gotta have a beer with a slice of pizza, ain't you?
Yeah.
That's some good stuff right there, boy. Damn good stuff. Oh, Pizza Hut. That's the only way to fly, ain't it? Throw it down your neck, boy. Throw it down your neck. What do you want to eat next? You want to try Kentucky Fried Chicken, maybe?
Yeah, that sounds like a winner.
Oh, you know what, Bubba? Today is Halloween. Are you going to dress up for Halloween and go trick-or-treating?
Yeah, I guess I will.
So we got to do a food review on some candy, don't we?
Yeah, we're gonna get some candy.
You going to have a costume on?
Yeah, I got one figured out.
All right, well, we're going to do a food review on you in a little while for trick-or-treating. You ain't too old to go trick-or-treating, are you?
I don't think so. I'm only 54.
54 years old going trick-or-treating. Oh, my God in heaven. Well, that's good, Bubba. So you like that pizza?
Yeah, that pizza's pretty good.
I got you. And you love that glove you got on, don't you?
Yeah, I gotta keep that glove. That's a souvenir glove, man.
Yes, sir. That's in case you got to go to a man, ain't it? Got to get into a fight, you got that glove on him.
Yeah, I'll have to protect that hand. That's my good hand.
Oh, Bubba, you something, buddy. All right, well, tell the world where you at.
Yeah, I'm at the Pizza Hut over here by McDonald's in Route 1.
And what you eating.
Yeah, I got a good old slice of pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
And what you drinking.
Got me a good cold Budweiser.
You like these food reviews?
Yeah, I love them.
All right, Bubba. Well, you want to tell the world goodbye?
Yeah. Y'all have a good day and be safe.
And what does Popeye say?
He said,